Alright guys, now we are going further to install our WordPress. With this WordPress, we are going to use to create our blog. Now you have to log into your Cpanel again. We are logging into our Cpanel again to install our WordPress. That is your domain name / Cpanel. Now you put in your password and username. Okay, we are here now. This is the dashboard of our Cpanel. If you don't know what dashboard of your Cpanel is, I've explained it earlier. Now we are going to install our WordPress, which is the thing we will use to create our blog right here in our Cpanel. Now this app we are going to install is a content management system which helps us to create a website without writing any code. Okay, and these files are going to install right here in our file manager. So now let's go and install. You see Substaculous app installer on your Cpanel dashboard. We click on there, Substaculous app installer. Now you have many content management systems, but we are going to use WordPress. So in your Substaculous app installer, you see WordPress here. That is what you are going to make use of. Now you click install. Install. Yes. Now look, watch well. We are going to install this. If you don't have any file in your browser, in your Cpanel, leave this place open. But because I already have files in my file manager here in my domain, so I have to type in directory, which is what I'm going to do here. But since you are going to create a fresh website on with your domain name, you don't need to type this place. Just leave it open so that your file will be installed directly in your domain name. So because I already have file on my domain name, so I don't want to delete them. I don't want to overwrite them. So I'm going to write in a directory where these files will go. So that means because I'm going to write it, you are going to type $us/ my indirectory name. So I type blog. Now you choose the version of WordPress you want to install. Automatically it installs the highest version. Okay, now this is your site setting. This is your site name. You can write anything. What is your site name? That is, if you can put in your domain name here, for example, if your domain name is right, you can put your site name as right. Then your description. What is the description of your blog, of your site? You can see blog news, blogging, news reporter. You just type anything to describe your website. Okay, now we proceed. Now this is a place you need to be careful. Your admin account. You type in your admin username. Make sure you don't forget this place. This is a place, this username and password you're going to put here is the what you are going to use to log into your WordPress to create your blog. So I'm going to write my username. I'm going to say blog. I'm going to use my this thing again. Blog. BLOGG. So with this username, then I'll type a password. You can generate a password, but I have to type the one I remember. Let me check. Okay, let me type this one so that I will delete it later. This is just for practical. Everything I'm doing here will be deleted. So now this admin email, remember the email you've created already. This is where everything will be sent to you. Every information you are going to receive, every messages you are going to receive from your website will be directly sent to your admin email, which is the email you created. Go and watch that video if you have not watched it, how to create your professional email. So that email will automatically come here. So now we've put in our username and password. What else? Now you go here, leave language English. You can choose to disable this limit login attempt. It protects you from, check it out, login limit attempt. If you log more than a certain number, it will lock your account for a certain time. That's what it means. Now we go to advanced option. Leave everything here. If you want to automatic upgrade your files, so I say you can close it up, not to automatic upgrade, so that you can put your file if you don't have since you are using a free files. Now these are themes we come there when after installing our files. So after doing this, you can now type in your this email installation details too. This is a place, if it's asking you, do you want us to forward these details to a different email? If you want them to forward these details to a different email after installation, you can say yes. You can put in that email there, so that after installation, this information will be forwarded to your email outside of your cpanel email which you created. So I just entered an email here, that's a Gmail account. Then you click install. Now we are installing our WordPress. Congratulations, our WordPress has been successfully installed. So this is what you receive. Now the email I put in there, they have forwarded that to me. So if I go and open that email, I will receive those information. So after installing your WordPress, you are done here. You are not going to do anything again here. So I close. Now let me go and check my email if those informations has been forwarded to me. Okay, you can see it here. Subtitles. I click on the email. You can see this is all the informations about my WordPress successfully installed in my cPanel. You have my username and password and every information you need. Right now, our next thing, we are going to create our professional blog for our blog. Right now we are done with our cPanel, creating an email and creating our installing our WordPress. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just please ask, send me a message, I will answer you. Kindly proceed. Let's proceed on creating our website without installing any files. Thank you.